Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock chart of CureVac VV. This is the smallest time frame which you could look at because of the lack of availability of data. So what we are going to do is just look at the short term time frame of CureVac, and the way it's moving is really phenomenal, because the stock has moved 55 odd percent in a matter of 2 days. So it's been going strength to strength, but because it's a shorter term time frame, what we could probably look here is the important support and resistance. Let me tell you one thing. So stock can go anywhere on the upper side, because there is a limitation on the lower side which we called as the zero. Okay, but on the upper side it can go as much as the stock can. Okay, but understand one thing, that the sharper the rise, the sharper the fall be. Okay, so if the stock is moving 55% in a span of a couple of trading hours, or probably 2 trading days, so you can expect the kind of momentum the stock has. So right now it is on the upside. There is also a probability that it could also move on the downside. So we have to look each and every support and resistance with equal importance. Okay, so do not just fizzle out with the kind of sharp rise you are looking right now, but look at the trend and try to find out the support and resistance it has. Okay, because it has its own importance. And the stock can move anywhere on the upper side of the range. So the stock can move anywhere on the upper side of the range, but what you could probably do here is stay disciplined for short term, because for shorter amount of time you are not doing any sort of investing or analyze the business. You are just riding the momentum. Okay, this is the chart pattern which you have for CureVac. So for CureVac, the important support, and let's just understand the important support and resistance. First, this is your current trend. Okay, now just divide the trend into multiple categories. This is your current trend. Now look at this trend. This is your important support level, because the stock has made a breakout. This was your previous resistance at 51, and the stock has made a breakout above 51 or 51.5, 51.6. Okay, so this is your first support level, below which the next support will come at around 43, and below 43 the again next support will come at around 36. Now if the stock is trading above 51, so it has broken the resistance of 51, and now 51 becomes a support. Now what should be the next probable target for this particular stock? So for this, what we could probably do here is just look at the range, length of this range, which is 19%. So we can expect the stock to move in the same fashion and give you a 19% return. Okay, so the next probable target for this stock is going to be this one, 61.28. Okay, now this is one thing when we are looking at this support and resistance. Now what I told you first, that this is your current trend line. Okay, inside which the stock is trading. Now what could probably happen, that the stock can move and give a breakout from this trend line and directly touches this resistance line or target line of 61. Okay, next situation or scenario is the stock can go inside this range, inside this trend line, okay, and hit the 61.28. So I'm not going to go beyond 61.28 unless the stock price said so. But if the stock stay within the range or within the trend line, then the support level, this entire range of 53 to 60, this line is your support level, and the stock will move inside this trend. And in case of any breakout, your immediate target level is 61. So because this is a short term time frame chart and trend analysis, so we are looking at our immediate target of 61. Once the stock reaches over there, then we will further do any analysis on whether it will go down, whether it will go up, whether it will consolidate or not, looking at the chart structure. And yes, it probably happen that the stock momentum could continue. Okay, so in that case, I'm not going to give any trend direction, but in that case, what could probably happen, that if it does break out the length of, if the stock does break out 61.28, then in that scenario, the next probable target which the stock could probably reach is this one, okay, which is around 72. So this is just an indication what I am giving you right now, but what we are going to do is we are going to restrict ourselves till 61.28, and once it sustain over there, then or give a major breakout, then our next target will be 72.98. Till then, this is the trend and this is what we are looking at till 61.28. But do understand one thing, we are looking at the shortest time frame available. So in that scenario, you should respect and follow the support and resistance level with equal importance. So breakout does not mean that the stock can't go lower, but when you are trading the momentum, you should know about your risk. So first analyze your risk, then take your trade. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.